Today we're going to clean up this old headstone and make it look beautiful. I like to start with cleaning up around the headstone and trimming away any grass or weeds before I start working with any liquids like soap and water. It's just cleaner that way. Hi there, my name is Charisma and you are watching Gardens and Graveyards. Today we are in the Newport Cemetery in Newport, Oregon. It's called Eureka Cemetery and Mausoleum, and we wanted to show you how we clean a headstone. So today we just have soap and water and a little scrub brush, scissors, and a plastic
trowel.
What is it?
Trowel.
Trowel?
Yeah. Screwer.
Oh, that was called something else. Okay, anyway, and
Screwer.
you want something that's not too flexible, but you want to keep it plastic because the metal ones can scrape some of the marble and granites that are on headstones. So we're here at this marker and we're just gonna get her cleaned up. Basically, all we're gonna do first off is scrub, sweep, whatever, get some of this lichen off of there to begin with. I want to do this dry because once you wet it, it's hard to see some of this lichen. Look at this bumblebee. Oh, did I step on it or something?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Struggling.
Pick it up and throw it away. Toss him. Here you go, throw it over there.
Put him on a strawberry flower. See, the back is really full, but it just comes right off of there. Hey, this is just dish soap and water. Just gonna spray it down.
You know what you see is starting to work. Amazing.
Just gonna use the same scrub. This one's actually not that bad.
No.
Might not need this so much. There's a little bit of this down there. start it from the top. Just noticed it up there.
Okay. Okay.
Then we just have plain old water in one of these pump sprayers. It's the easiest way to get water out on the grounds. So,
Yeah.
does this work? This should also hold that.
Right.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Yep. That's awesome. Much better. Much better.
I can still see some.
Oh, there you go.
Huh?
Keep going. You lighten that up a lot. There you go. And of course, the longer you scrub on it, the cleaner it's going to come. The longer you scrub on it, the cleaner it's going to get.
Yep.
Oh, that was a ton in there. Awesome, awesome.
So that's the simple and easy way that you can clean your ancestors' headstones or a local cemetery. Go by and clean it up. It only takes about 5 minutes to do. I did have a pump sprayer. It wasn't working properly, but the truth of the matter is you could just bring a bucket from home or a vase from home and throw some water over it after you're done scrubbing it. That's really all you need is some soap and water. So I encourage everyone to go out there and help your local cemetery take care of those markers and headstones of the pioneers and ancestors of the land, and
There you go.
make things more beautiful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.